Good morning, dear children. Good morning, all of you. Okay, how are you all doing? Let's wait for 3 minutes. 9:50 sharp, we will start our class. Till then, prepare for agriculture MCQ. Today, I will take an oral test of your MCQ chapter 4 Geography Agriculture. Fine. Most of you children committed mistake on chapter making of national movement 1870s to 1947. Okay. So what is the reason? I want to know that. Chapter is not clear or something else. Chapter is clear. Hmm? One more thing children, your attendance is going on. Okay, thank you, Laksh. So listen to me carefully. Your attendance is going on, and most of your friends are absent during the class. So please, if you are connected, convey the message. Fine. Please convey the message that attendance is necessary. Unnecessarily, you will get a letter from school, है ना? So be regular in the class, attend all the class. In this way, you will get all the things very clear. So I here I am able to see my news presentator. Bhumika कहाँ चली गई? Bhumika, yes, you are unmute from my side. I am waiting for news headlines.
Yes, ma'am. CBSE Class 10th 12th Board Exams 2021 dates, reduced syllabus, internal choice by our educational minister. And yesterday only in the meeting he told that there will be board exams, but the pre-boards exam will be online.
Yes, good, very good, very informative. Anything else want to tell about our country which is going on? Do you know stages of coronavirus? Anyone of you want to tell about this? Anyone of you want to tell about this? Hmm? Now this virus, effect of this virus would be at the peak. A new type of virus is coming from Britain, European countries. All the airlines of Britain's are closed, है ना? So now अभी तक खतरा टला नहीं है. So be careful, be at home, be safe, use mask. If you are going outside, please use mask. You know children, why the schools are not opening? Just because of this. अभी तक खतरा टला नहीं है. Okay. So, and one more thing I would like to tell you, that is, be very clear. If there is a single doubt in the questions, please read the question once, twice, thrice. है ना? इससे क्या होगा, आप लोग का जो क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा जा रहा है ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? एम आई क्लियर? So after 1 or 2 minutes I will start asking questions from chapter agriculture. Then after criminal justice system, and at the last I will ask questions from where? I will ask question from history, chapter 9, making of national movement. No, Pulkit, I will not ask from Google form due to some error. I am unable to share the link. Google form is prepared, but here some issues are there, so I am unable to share the link. Okay, children, are you ready? Yes, at the last I will ask question from the making of national movement. I think, yes, Anam, I got your message that you are facing some net connectivity issue. And one more thing, children, daily teachers को ये बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता ना कि अपना वीडियो ऑन करो. So you should on your video. I think Keshav, Naman and Deep are the students जो बिना बोले अपना वीडियो ऑन कर देते हैं. Those who is on their video without asking. Sir, हाँ. Okay, fine. So, uh, very good to see you all. You know, children, there is a connection between a teacher and their his or her students. You know this. Whenever we people are in the class, what we supposed to do? Class में घुसते टीचर क्या करती? सारे बच्चों के ऊपर एक बार नजर डालती, कौन है, कौन नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर भी, if we are giving you like all the things like actual classes, so we want to see you. What is wrong in it, हाँ? अगर एक टीचर आपको देखना चाहते हैं, इसमें गलत क्या है? Be proper, be attentive, and attend your class. That's it. Jinal. Okay, I got your message, Jinal. I will convey it. Fine. So here I am going to unmute all of you. If unnecessary sound or background sound is there, please mute yourself. Fine, children. So let me see. I can see Keshav, Ved, Deep, Naman, Shelly, Lavanya and Sur. Shreyans. What about rest of you children? Yes, Saksham, I know your problem. Gunjan, Shreyans, Chaitya, and rest of you are Mr. India. Rest of you are Mr. India. One more important announcement is there. Today is the last class of yours. Then after you will have your winter vacation 25th to 3rd on 3rd January 2021. Fine. So, and just after the 4th of January, you will have your what? PT2 examinations. So, utilize your holiday. Those who have not submitted their notes, please complete it, and by 24, it's the last day of submission, है ना? Today is the last day of submission of copy. So those who have not submitted, submit your notebooks to all, because very soon those who their attendance are less or those who are not submitting their copy, very soon you people are going to get your what? Letter from the school. Do you want so? Do you want so? How many of you are want so? Please raise your hand. Let me see. How many of you want so? Tanvi? No. Bhumika, I don't know, beta. Whenever exams would be there, you will get prior notice of it. Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, we don't want that the letter come from school.
Yes. No one wants, na. That's why I'm telling. Send your
Yes.
thoughts. Be regular in the
And
class. And
question, ma'am.
yes. Try to be punctual also. है ना? डेली have you observed ever कि नेहा मैम डेली क्लास में आती है, she comes in the class to just take attendance.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Regarding,
Ma'am, regarding school only.
yes, ask.
Ma'am, ma'am, many people are telling that the annual examination will be held in school itself.
Yes, it would be.
Oh.
Have you seen yesterday's news by Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, the Central Education Minister? Have you seen that?
Ma'am, what was news? Can you tell? I've not seen that news.
That's why you should. Just
Ma'am, please tell.
as when Bhumika was delivering the news. So see this recorded video, okay? Bhumika already told
Ma'am.
yesterday's news.
Oh.
Fine. So here I am going to start the class, your question answer round, MCQs chapter wise, and I am going to unmute all of you. Now here, all of you are unmuted. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from my side, my camera is on, but it's not showing.
Yes, ma'am. In my participants also, it's not showing that my camera is on. Keshav Vaid.
No, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am. In Bhumika Jain also it's showing like this only.
No, Keshav, you are clearly visible to me, beta. Keshav, आप अच्छे से दिख रहे हो.
मैम but participants में नहीं दिख रहा हूँ. कैमरा ऑफ है उसमें.
It's okay, but my screen you are clearly visible, but Sakshi, you are not visible. Maybe you are facing some net issue. So let's see.
No, ma'am, it's on.
बीच में साक्षी.
Ma'am, in participants,
Sakshi is
I am
there.
not able to see
Sakshi is there.
that my camera is on.
Rashi, Disha, Pahel, all are here. Ishika, Hardik, Gunjan, Bhumika, Pulkit, Shreyan, Sakshi, you are visible, beta.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Am I visible?
See to the screen and you will get to know you are visible or not. Fine. Bhumika, you are visible. So here I am going to ask questions. Unmute your mic. If something background sound is there, only that case you can mute yourself. Agriculture
Yes, ma'am.
is a dash primary activity, secondary activity, tertiary activity, none of them.
Ma'am,
please
primary
repeat
activity.
your
Primary activity.
It's a
Primary activity.
Ma'am, chat देखिए अगर आपका voice break हो तो
Ma'am,
देखिए
today you are going to take the Google Forms test, na?
yes, but due to some technical error, beta, I'm unable to share the link. है ना? I told when I
Okay, ma'am.
so in this way I'm asking
मैम
the
चैट बॉक्स में आप आंसर लिख दो ना मैम वॉइस ब्रेक होती है
Ma'am,
आपकी
You can send anyone and then send.
when I ask question only that time my voice is break, otherwise not. So be
ma'am,
without
No, ma'am, your voice
सबको
isn't
म्यूट कर दो
breaking.
मैम.
I know my
अरे
मैम, एक-एक करके देंगे
मैम
आंसर.
दब जा रही है आपकी आवाज बीच बीच में एकदम
चुपचाप सुनोगे तो नहीं आएगा.
मैम, सबको म्यूट कर दो मैम. एक-एक करके आंसर देंगे. इसमें बहुत मैच हो जाता है.
Slash
एक साथ देते हैं.
मैम जो हैंड रेस करे वो आंसर देगा.
visible to all of you. Slash and burn practice of agriculture is also known as intensive farming, extensive farming, shifting farming, nomadic farming.
Shifting farming.
Shifting farming, shifting cultivation.
Shifting farming
Answer is shifting farming.
Shifting farming.
हाँ ना, ठीक है. Okay, now I will not give any option, which is also known as golden fiber. Which
मैम जूट मैम
Jute.
Jute. Ma'am, jute.
Jute.
Ma'am, jute.
जूट
एक बार बोलोगे ना तो भी सुनाई दे देता है. Jute is right answer.
मैम आपने क्वेश्चन क्या बोला था, आपकी वॉइस अटक गई थी.
Which is also known as golden.
नहीं है किसी में.
The two the two most important staple food crops of the world are dash and dash. I am repeating
मैम
the question.
कॉटन मैम wheat and rice
please.
Rice
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Wheat and
Wheat and rice.
wheat and rice I told.
Wheat
And
rice.
भाई एक बार बोलते चुप
wheat
हो
and
जाओ.
rice.
Here I am going to mute all of you. You are taking unnecessary undue advantages. Huh? Then let me ask the question twice because some children are facing net connectivity issue. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो. Keep patience. It is also known as monoculture, like single crop grown. It is also known as monoculture. That is single crop grown over
was not understandable to recite this.
a large area. It is also known as monoculture. Now tell me the answer. Dash
Crop.
also known as monoculture, that is single grown crop in a huge or large area. The right answer is
Ma'am, crop.
Ma'am, agriculture.
we check.
Crop.
Ma'am, crop.
Crop.
Or
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
mono means what? Bhumika, mono means single. Single crop
Yes, ma'am.
किसमें लगाते हैं सिंगल क्रॉप, किसमें एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं? ह्यूज लैंड में कौन सा एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं?
Commercial farming.
Crop.
Ma'am, commercial farming.
Farming.
प्लांटेशन में क्या करते हैं हम?
Ma'am, plantation.
To grow a single crop. Now fight. In a plantation agriculture or plantation farming, what we supposed to do? In a huge land masses or fields, we supposed to grow a single crop. Single, mono means single. So try to understand the question. Okay. Which one is not a millet crop? Listen the option carefully. Which one is not a millet crop? Jowar, ragi, wheat, bajra. Jowar.
Wheat. Ma'am, wheat.
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 Wheat is absolutely
Wheat.
right.
Wheat.
Yes. The type of
Wheat.
हो गया. The type of agriculture practiced in India is. The type of agriculture practiced in India is.
Ma'am, subsistence agriculture practice.
And the right answer is intensive subsistence farming is right answer.
Yes, ma'am, that only.
Yes, intensive subsistence farming. The word agriculture has been derived from two dash words.
Greek word.
Agro.
Ma'am,
Agro.
Indian words
Agro and
agro
culture.
and culture.
Agriculture.
ये एग्रो प्लस कल्चर कौन से वर्ड है? जर्मन.
Ma'am, Latin word. Ma'am, Latin word.
Latin.
Right answer. Yesterday also I asked this question.
Feedback.
Abhi, please not all the children. Now only Hardik and Saksham. Hardik and Saksham will reply. Okay. And the question is cultivation of grapes is also known as. Cultivation of grapes is also known as. Only Saksham and Hardik will reply.
Ma'am, may I?
You?
Viticulture.
Viticulture, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Culture.
Ma'am, viticulture.
Grown.
So this is the tradition of my class. When I'm asking to particular children, then after you are replying. Is this okay? Is this a way to reply to your teacher? I know you people are knowing all the things, but it's my duty to ask all the to all the children, है ना? When I'm asking to particular children, why you people are replying? Now I will not ask any question. And Saksham, unmute yourself. Hardik and Saksham. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is for you. Commercial farming. Classification of commercial farming. which is not correct? Commercial grain farming, plantation farming, multiple farming, or mixed farming?
Ma'am, mixed farming.
Wrong answer, beta. Farming is a part of commercial farming. Mixed farming is a part of commercial farming. The question is classification of commercial farming, which is not correct. Commercial grain farming is a part, plantation is a part, fine. And the
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
multiple farming is right answer. Okay, and this is very old bahana. Your voice is breaking because I am in school. Now I don't have any net issue. So don't tell me such type of excuses. Factors influencing the crop cultivation. Factors influencing the crop cultivations are temperature, fertile soil, rainfall, all of this. And the answer, Moksh Pincha.
Climate.
Listen the question carefully, then tell, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Factors influencing the crop cultivations are temperature, fertile soil, rainfall, all of this.
All of these.
The right option is all of these. Here, this is the right way, Laksh. If you want to answer, you can text. But you cannot interrupt my class. Okay? The next question is growing vegetables, flowers, fruits, and decorative plants for commercial use is known as growing vegetables, flowers, fruits, and decorative plants for commercial use is known as Keshav. Yes, Laksh, I got your answer. That is absolutely right. Now I want answer from Keshav. Sur. Ishika. Ishika.
Ma'am, horticulture.
Yes.
Horticulture.
Horticulture is right answer. Horticulture is right answer. Next question is the land on which crops are grown is known as the land on which crops are grown is known as arable land, wetland, dry land, none of this. Arable land, wetland, dry land, none of this. Arham. Yes, Laksh, your answer is right, beta.
Arable land. Arable land.
पूर्वांश बी नहीं होगा बेटा, ए होगा. Yes,
Arable land, ma'am.
yes, arable land is right answer. Next question. Dash requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 forest-free days and bright sunshine. I'm repeating it again. Dash requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 forest-free days and bright sunshine. Naman, it is wrong answer. Pulkit, wrong. Rashi, tell the right answer. Purvansh, I didn't tell any option, so why you are saying B? Chaitanya, it is wrong answer, beta. Rashi, I'm waiting for your response. It's wrong, Chaitanya. Rashi, Pulkit, Keshav, Lavanya, it's wrong answer, beta. And the right answer is cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine. Next question. In dash farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. In dash farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. बोलो भूमिका.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो आंसर.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
No, I will not. Twice I read the question. Okay, for you once again. In dash farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock.
Hmm.
अरे ऐसा कौन सा फार्मिंग है जिसमें लाइव स्टॉक भी रियर करते हैं, फॉडर्स भी उगाते हैं, फूड क्रॉप्स भी उगाते हैं, कौन सा है ये? विच टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इट इज?
Subsistence farming.
Wrong answer. Subsistence. How subsistence? Subsistence means जो अपने लाइवलीहुड के लिए नेसेसरी होता है, बस वो जो अपने डेली नीड्स, अपने फैमिली की नीड्स को फुलफिल करता है, दैट इज सब्सिस्टेंस.
Then commercial farming.
इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. बेटा सारी चीजें मिक्स है तो मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग होगा ना. इसमें आपका लाइव स्टॉक भी है, फूड भी है, फॉडर भी है, सारी चीजें मिक्स है, देन इट इज
Mixed farming.
okay. Next question is tea is a dash crop: fiber crop, food crop, beverage crop, industrial crop. Tea is a dash crop: fiber crop, food crop, beverage crop or industrial crop. At least now all the hands should be raised. Ishika, Pulkit, Chaitya, Hardik, only this much. अभी क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी. महक, लुनिया, unmute yourself and tell the answer. Here Pulkit, I got answer. Beverage, I told the answer. Beverage crop is right answer. I got answer from the Pulkit. He is saying beverage crop, that is right answer. Now put your hands down, all of you. So out of 20, what is your score, children? Out of 20, what is your score? Honestly, text me. How much marks you got? Out of 20, how much marks you got? Here text me, Pulkit. Okay. Across the globe, more than -% of people are engaged in agriculture. Across the globe, more than -% of people are engaged in agriculture. Across the globe, -% people are engaged in agriculture. Yes, Pulkit. Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am.
Across the globe, -% people are engaged in agriculture. I got right answer from Naman here.
50.
Yes, that is right.
50%.
50% people. This is a primary activity: oil refining, food processing, agriculture, pesticide preparation. This is a primary activity: oil refining, food processing, agriculture, pesticide preparation. Yes, Rashi? Rashi? Beta, I am waiting for your answer.
Can I tell?
Here I got answer from
Yes, ma'am.
from Naman, Mehak and Kriti Malu. Naman, Mehak and Kriti Malu, which is right answer. And the right answer is agriculture.
Ma'am, can I?
Around dash of Indian population depends on agriculture. Around dash of Indian population depends on agriculture. 2/3, 1/5, 4/5, 1/3. 2/3, 1/5,
Ma'am,
4/5, 1/3. Wait, Pulkit. And the right answer is yes, Ishika.
Ma'am, 1/3.
Wrong.
Ma'am, it is 1/3 on book.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
नो बेटा 1/3 तो नहीं है. Yes, Laksh. Laksh.
Ma'am, what is the question? Can you tell again?
Laksh.
Ma'am, 2/3.
2/3 is right answer. Here, Lavanya and Naman also saying 2/3. 2/3 is right answer. Okay, Ishika.
Is the
Make it correct. Okay. Zooming is practiced in dash India. Zooming cultivation, pattern of zooming cultivation is practiced in dash India. Northeast India, India, West India or the South?
ma'am, can I?
Yes, Pulkit, tell.
Can I, ma'am?
Here I got right answer from Lakshya.
Northeast India.
Northeast India is right answer. Northeast
Northeast.
is right answer. Following animal is a part of the nomadic herd: camel, ox, cats, rabbits. Camel, ox, cats or rabbits. Right answer I got from Lakshya. Till then Chaitanya. Chaitanya, मिस्टर इंडिया हो गया है.
नहीं मैम, मैं यहीं पे टैप नहीं हो रहा
हो
था
गया.
इस वजह।
दिख नहीं रहे हो ना इसलिए बोली मैं.
हाँ,
बोलो आंसर.
मैम आप अपना क्वेश्चन लिखो ना। मैम आपकी आवाज ही दब अब जा रही है मैम, क्वेश्चन बोलो ना थोड़ा।
I know this बेटा. Following animal is a part of.
मैम प्लीज टेल रिपीट।
Following animal is a part of the nomadic.
मैम एग्रीकल्चर।
अरे following animal I am
मैम
asking.
नोमैडिक गार्डनिंग।
Chaitanya.
Camel.
Camel is right answer.
यस मैम, आपकी आवाज दब रही है।
आप प्रॉपर नेटवर्क में नहीं हो. सबसे पहले आप प्रॉपर नेटवर्क में आओ. ओके.
मैम 4-5
Chaitanya, come in a proper network. The next question is, which of the following physical input is required in agriculture? Listen it carefully. Which of the following physical input is required in agriculture? Labor, slope, rainfall, sunlight. And the right answer is Naman. Here I got right answer from Moksh Pincha, Kriti Malu, Pulkit नहीं. Pulkit का आंसर गलत है.
Ma'am, what was the first and second option?
Lakshya, Kriti Malu, all they said right answer and the right answer is labor.
Yeah.
One of the inputs required in farming. One of the inputs required in the farming: slope, crop, human resource, machinery. Slope, crop, human resource and machinery. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ क्वेश्चन में.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please, Naman.
Third option. No, machinery.
नहीं, पहले आपने सही बोला था. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज राइट आंसर. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स अगर आपके पास रहेगा तो मशीनरी भी हो जाएगा, स्लोप भी हो जाएगा, इरिगेशन भी हो जाएगा. ऑल द थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल विद द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. सो द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इज राइट आंसर. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू चिल्ड्रन कि लिसन द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. ओके. So are you observing how many questions you are giving right answer?
No, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am.
Cultivation of grapes is defined as horticulture, viticulture, sericulture, agriculture.
Horticulture.
Horticulture is right answer. ये पुलकित ना अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके बैठ गया है.
Sorry ma'am.
नहीं, it's okay बेटा, it's okay. No need to say sorry. Fine. Okay. An example of tertiary activity is from the given option. Okay. An example of tertiary activity is advertising, hunting, agriculture, or fishing.
Advertising.
Advertising is right answer. Advertising is right answer. Here Laksh, Chaitanya, these children are saying right answer. Laksh, you are very prompt. That is good. Fishing is an example of primary, secondary, tertiary, agricultural. Which activity? Fishing is an example of
Yeah.
Some primary activity.
प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी.
Primary.
महक लुनिया ये प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी. सबसे पहले महक ने कहा, फिर पुलकित, देन चैतन्य, देन नमन. गुड. ग्रोइंग फ्लावर्स हो गया. सीड्स आर वन ऑफ डैश ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. सीड्स आर वन ऑफ डैश ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. प्रोसेस, आउटपुट, इनपुट, लेबर. सीड्स क्या है? प्रोसेस है, इनपुट है, आउटपुट है. चैतन्य क्या है?
इनपुट है.
यस, इनपुट. अगर हम सीड्स सोइंग कह देते वहां पे सीड्स की जगह में, देन इट वुड बी प्रोसेस. Okay, now very important question. Shifting cultivation is also known as dash in Malaysia. Shifting cultivation is known as dash in Malaysia. Kharif, Jumi, Ludang और रबी. खरीफ,
Ma'am,
जूमी. एक मिनट भूल गए. जूमी मलेशिया ना. मलेशिया में किस नाम से जाना जाता है? राशि.
ma'am. Sorry ma'am. Sorry.
जो राशि. I think you are facing some net issue.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
चैतन्य, नमन और पुलकित के अलावा कोई और बोलना चाहता है आंसर?